to everyone. Fantastic day to all of you who is watching my channel Hairpin Beds. And I'm in a hill station in Kerala, which is near to Munnar, which is called Aanakulam. I don't know how many people would have heard of this, but extensive travelers would have heard of this place. And the beauty of this place I cannot explain, but you guys have to come and experience. Just see the backdrop and I'm feeling as if I'm in a paradise. And there are a lot of things which is unique about this. And one thing which comes to my mind is this place is not commercialized. There is no deforestation happen here. Everything is conservated here, and moreover, agriculture is also preserved. And I will take you through more of things about this place in this video, which you will watch. But one thing I want to mention here is they have growing spices, tea. But one special thing which I came to know today, which I as I told you, I will be up on the waterfall, and it's my blessing that I'm here, and it's a fantastic view. I want everyone to enjoy this view, and if you have a time to unwind things, please do come to this view. This is what I said, that there are places apart from our regular one, which is Aanakulam.
Aanakulam is surrounded by mountains. Beauty of this place is wherever you look around, you either find a waterfall or a stream. There are enough jeep services for you to go around and visit these places. For staying, you have good cottages and homestay available. Just Google it, else message to our channel. We can find a place for you. The nearest airport is Cochin. From there by road, it takes 120 kilometers to reach this place. And the second nearest airports are Coimbatore and Madurai, where it takes 200 kilometers to reach Aanakulam from both these places. So come, visit and enjoy with your family. Have a great day.